Hey friends, so today we're getting a beautiful day here in the garden. We started a couple days ago with our beans, putting in bean poles, get the beans planted. At that time, I put in one watermelon. We want to try here in central Alberta to give it a shot. With the greenhouse, we are potentially taking a chance of getting watermelon. They say that it needs to be in a hot climate, so we're taking that chance. It doesn't take up much room, so. And then beside that, we have 4 plants of cucumbers, and we're going to get that to go up here on the side. And then we have a very large deer population in this area. So for you people that are not necessarily aware, marigold is actually a great thing for that. It really helps to deter the deer, as well as helps bring bees in. So to help pollinate what we've got here. Beside that, in the fall, we put in a little bit of garlic, and we noticed that it's starting to come up. It's the first time we do that. We're going to try it. It'd be a nice adding to our supplements in the house. Today, I have also put in a couple early girls and a couple cherry tomatoes. Now we have a few other tomato plants that will be going in here, and then we are going to be moving along with the garden in the other direction. At that point, we're gonna put in some zucchini, squash, carrots, radishes, a few other things. So that's what we're looking for at this point. We're still fairly new at this. This is about 2 years. We've been cultivating our soil here. We're fortunate that we have our own rabbits, so we're able to use the rabbit droppings to help our garden. And with rabbit deposit or rabbit poop, you can put that directly onto your plants. It's one of the very few that you can do that. And also, we have chickens that are free range, and they help take care of our compost pile. We have an area that they regularly go into and just scratch that up. So we're able to put compost in our garden. And yes, as you can tell, we are definitely out of the city, and just blessed in these abilities that we're getting.